Hi there, it's Angel from Game Music Packs. I'm going to show you this time how to run VMX as a master profile. So this means that you run VMX as your main profile and you can run your own profiles from VMX using the new wizard which comes with VMX 2.01. So I'll show you how to use that. Now you can of course always use the execute external profile command from within VoiceAttack the standard way, so take a look at the VoiceAttack manual if you want to do it that way. I'm going to fire up VoiceAttack.
Game Music Packs.
Okay, we have a bit more login information on here because I'm using an early beta version, so just ignore that if you see lots of stuff there. Okay, so if I want to run another profile from VMX, let's say you've got your own nifty little profile made, this is a great way to do it. Enable external profile.
Ensure that you have not selected Include commands from other profiles in VoiceAttack profile options. Now, please say the name of the initialization command you wish to have auto-run on VMX Startup.
Profile initialize.
Done. Now navigate to VoiceAttack's profile options window and under Include commands from other profiles, please click the plus button and select the profile you wish to auto-run. When you have done this, say ready.
Okay, so you get an interactive guide on how to link your own profile in. Now you'll notice that I said profile initialize. That is the name of the initialization command within my profile. So whatever yours is, you just say those words in there and just have a little look on the VoiceAttack log to make sure it's picked them up properly. So now it's asking me to link the profile, so we do it in the standard VoiceAttack way. So we go edit commands, then the tick in the box. Include commands from other profiles, so I have here, click the plus as it's just instructed, and you'll see elite, or I have elite control system, but yours will be whatever you've called it. So I want to run that profile, so I OK, and done. Now the interactive wizard told me to say ready when I'm ready, so let's say it. Ready.
Would you like to restart VMX Player so that the changes may take effect?
Yes.
Your selected profile has now been added
so it asks
to
if you want to
VMX's
reboot
auto-initialization.
VMX to make it happen. And there we go.
Control system profile has been
Game
loaded
Music
successfully.
Okay, so we've got a little TTS there that I added in for the demonstration purposes, just to give us vocal confirmation that that profile was run. So it says this profile has been run successfully, and that's it. That from then on, that will have been saved to the VMX player profile. So whenever you want to use it, your other profile, you can just do that whenever you load VMX player up. If you want to remove the profile, you can say disable external profile.
Would you like to restart VMX Player so that the changes may take effect?
Yes.
Auto-initialization setting removed.
Game Music
And it
Pack.
even restarts for us. So then that's the link to the external profile removed. So we think this is a first for VoiceAttack. It takes some standard features of VoiceAttack and makes them much more user friendly. Of course, if you do have issues with voice pickup, let's say your mic's not great or you haven't trained it enough times, then tinker around with your mic level settings, train Windows speech recognition once or twice more. So that's it really. That's the VoiceAttack profile wizard if you want to execute your own. And the first example was if you want to run VMX secondary to your own profile. So hope that helps. And yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.